like how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, ringing a cheer to young and old. Deck the bold, ding dong ding dong.
You have vision impairment because you're old. These are the things that happen. So, it's doing something. It's loading. You have to have an SD card in there, Ron. Now I can push it. Oh, look, and it's got this cool color. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cool color on there, right? So it tells you something's going on. It's blue, and oh. Let's turn this light off. Hold on. There we go. There we go. All right, let's see what it does. Let's go through the modes. I got my show running outside. Okay. Oh yeah. That's cool. That's really cool. Let's go to the next one. I wonder if you put like some really dirty message on there. I'm afraid to see what he might have put on here. Oh, that's cool. I don't even need this to be synced with the show. You know what? I'm going to go outside with this on, and why not? That's so cool. Yeah. Darren Headland. That guy's a rock star. Hey, my show may not work perfect tonight, but you know what does work perfect? My hat. I'm going to celebrate this hat working. And I dig the freaking glasses. These things are dope. Yeah, I know. Someone 52 years old should never use the word dope unless they're actually using it. Anyway, let's see what anybody said. Anything interesting? Can we record it? I guess, just in case. Pen. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I want one. You can. Only $295,000. Just send it to me. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, baby. Where you get it? Where I get it? Dude, baby, this is only from the one and only master of technology. This is Darren Headland. Darren Headland hooked me up on this, and I think it's really cool. And I'm going to be wearing this when I go to London for the show. And if I'm feeling spunky, I might actually take some of the sequence from what I'm going to be at there and incorporate it with this. Because this will play from SD card. This will play, no problem. Now, how long does it take to play? And I think it's Wi-Fi too. I'm not sure. I'll have to talk to Darren. I'll ask him. I don't know if he's on here. I don't see him. Darren Headland. Oh, holy shit! What did that just say? What did it just say? I was reading and I saw. Okay. EspArtStick. Yeah, because you have to understand my concern. I only saw the last two letters. And I was helping a client a couple of nights ago, and we were outside and we were testing some large props, and I was putting funny verbiage on the Rosa wreaths that were scrolling across late at night. He goes, "Ron, my neighbors are going to see that." I said, "I hope they do." So we were just having some fun with it. But anyway, oh, this is cool. So it's just going to kind of go from one thing to the other. Yeah. Oh, I love this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so I'll turn this light back on so you can kind of see. There we go. Again, this is here. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to show you how cool this is. I'm going to power it off, and I'm going to power it back on with this little bitty guy here, little bitty one, and it's going to turn back on. And it doesn't take much. 5 volt. Put that in your pocket. I'll be able to put it in my jacket and go around. He can also make these so that this tucks up underneath. So, or I could do it either way. I could actually, I think. Let's see if I can. I think I could put this all self-contained in here. I'm going to try it anyway. Oh, wow. Now it's really going. Ow. Well, that's sharp. That's sharp on my head. Let me there we go. Put a little stuff in there. Oh, there we go. Now I've got no wires. And yeah, you don't want to turn your head real fast, the whole thing come off. But I think he can configure this to work with, there we go. Yeah, I think he can configure it to work where it can fit in a pocket up here, because there's a lot of room between the bill here and the top. I kind of like that sound. It's nice. Well, I'm happy. Darren Helen, thank you so very, very much. I know everybody's going to want this. I think he is leading the course when it comes to making tiny, tiny little bitty things that play sequences and all sorts of stuff remotely, wirelessly. Pull the card out, it's still playing. You can pull the power, it's still playing. I mean, he's got some really cool stuff. So that's EspArtStick. Check him out online. I got to go. See you guys. I don't even know how to stop this. Oh, in live video, of course. All right, peace. See ya.